If you'd like to take part, this is what you'd need. Something to draw with. That could be coloured pens, pencils, a biro, paint, whatever you've got lying around. Something to draw on. You could upcycle old envelopes or cereal boxes, paper or newspaper or magazines. A camera. You could use one on a phone or one that's built into a computer screen. Something to join in our online meeting. We'll post the link and password on the Star Slack drop-in page. So how do you join in? Step 1. Make 4 footprints or shoe prints. You can draw around your foot, your favourite shoe, a welly boot, family feet, pet feet, even toy feet. Here's me playing about with it. Step 2. Add notes, drawings, stories, whatever you like to answer the 4 questions, one per foot. Step 3. Share these on the Zoom workshop or email to Star if you don't want a video chat. We will make a digital zine combining everyone's feet and share this with you so you can also share it. Question 1. Is culture still important to you now? Question 2. How are you doing culture now? Question 3. How can culture engage with you now? Question 4 is a wild foot. Anything else about your thoughts or experiences of culture in the time of coronavirus, or something to represent that. Can't wait to see your ideas.